Hello everyone, had the wheel bearing going on my truck today, and so I'm going to be working on trying to get it replaced. It's this passenger front wheel bearing, so I've got everything, so hopefully it doesn't take too long to get this thing knocked out, and we can get this done and have the truck back on the road, and hopefully move on to the project car I picked up. I have a 04 Mazda RX-8 that I'm also going to be working on, and cataloging my journey as I'm working on it here on this YouTube channel. So let's get this started. So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take off the cover. It's covering up the spindle nut, so we can take the spindle nut off. So I've got the spindle nut loosened. So now we need to jack it up and take the wheel off of the truck. So what we'll get done now. Sorry, I got distracted and got like focus working, and I'm gonna have to do better about making sure I film clips as I'm working. But I filmed the time lapse the whole time I was working, so I'm gonna have the whole time lapse put in the video, and you may have already seen it, but I've got the truck put back together. I took it for a test drive, and the ABS light and the four-wheel drive light all shut off, traction control light, so looks like it's all good now. As I got it apart, found that the sensor on the wheel bearing had actually melted because it had gotten so hot. So we should be good to go, and I'm looking forward to getting started on the RX-8, and I'm hoping to have a video out here soon introducing the car and doing a quick walkover of it. But thanks for tuning in, and hope you guys watch my next video. Thanks.